If you're trying to lose weight, you don't need anything else, just these 10 foods in your freezer. Not a fridge full of fresh produce and meats that you never cook and go bad. Just these 10. And by the end of the video, you'll know what they are, why they made my list, and why they work just as good for fat loss as anything else you'd keep in the fridge. There's one item on this list you're not gonna believe is in a fat loss freezer because it comes straight from the drive-thru. But first, let's start with the one that I eat more than anything else, especially when I get really sick of chicken. First up, we have seafood. So I've been doing these cod fillets or shrimp. I have these stocked in the freezer at all times because they are so lean. I'll use the cod every week to make up some fish tacos or fish burritos for us. And then I also like to use these shrimp with my esquite sauce, and you get a really high protein, low fat meal really quick. Sticking with the proteins, these pre-made grass-fed burger patties. Yes, does it take that much effort to make little patties out of beef? Probably not, but this just saves those extra minutes. We do these at least like once a week, especially on those nights where I'm like, I don't have anything in the fridge, I don't wanna deal with buying anything, I have it in the freezer ready to go. And beef is such a good meat, especially if you get a clean one, you're gonna get a lot of protein. The key when you're buying frozen burgers is to also make sure it's just beef. They're not adding a bunch of other weird stuff, and these are 100% beef. So yes, if you wanna lose weight and still eat your burgers or your burger bowls, this is a great staple to always have in the freezer. Number 3 is one that is gonna make everyone happy, and that is these little chicken tenders. Yes, I eat these. I don't just buy them for my son. They're so good. And when you have that craving or you want kind of like a chicken nugget, you don't want to deal with making, this is the best way to do it. And you can still eat these things even when you're trying to lose fat, especially if you're actually tracking your food, tracking your macros, and you make sure it fits in your day. But this, you can get 3 ounces for 170 calories, 15 grams of protein. If you want a leaner option, I also do keep little chicken strips in there, just so I can throw them in, warm them up, and make like a big Caesar salad or a pasta or something without having to deal with actually cooking the chicken. I still meal prep chicken once a week, but these kind of save me midweek when I've already eaten through all of that and I don't feel like making anything new. So chicken nuggets give me that little fast food fix, but this isn't even the one I was talking about. There's still one more item on this list I eat at least twice a week that you would never believe should be on a fat loss freezer list. The last one in my protein must-haves in my freezer, especially if you are trying to lose weight, are some sort of chicken or turkey meatballs. The key to these is to make sure that they are still pretty low in fat, because chicken and turkey is, but once they start adding a ton of stuff, they can quickly add up to a lot of unnecessary calories. This actually has 15 grams of protein, only 8 grams of fat in 6 meatballs and 150 calories. So 150 calories is barely anything. You could have like 12 of these and have a great easy meal. And then the last thing with these frozen foods is to check the sodium. If you're eating frozen foods all the time, a lot of them will have added sodium. So try to get like lower sodium ones if you can, and just make sure you don't add any salt. Next on my list is frozen broccoli. I love having it frozen because when you go to warm it back up, it doesn't have that same terrible broccoli smell. So while I love broccoli, I don't want to have the fresh stuff all the time. So I love having these frozen ones, or any type of frozen veggies, especially if you feel like you don't go through them quick enough and you end up throwing them away. This is a great alternative. You can get great healthy veggies, save money usually on frozen too, especially if you buy in bulk, because if you're trying to lose weight, the best thing you can do is bulk up on your veggies to have volume, to feel full. This can be a base for your burger bowl. You can throw together easy meals that just make sense if you have something like this in the freezer always. All right, I have a couple more for you, including that one that is just going to change what it feels like to be losing weight for you, because I know that feeling of craving foods, wanting to eat things you used to eat, but not feeling like you're supposed to. And this one that I'm gonna share in a minute is exactly that. But first, every week I do a giveaway for my subscribers, and this week I'm gonna be giving one of you girls my Natural Beauty. This is my Marine Collagen skincare blend. It is so delicious. It truly will transform your skin. So if you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, that's step 1, and drop a comment down below. Your comment is your entry into the weekly giveaways, and don't forget to turn on your notifications because I will share our winner in next week's video. And this next one is the one that you are not going to believe, but it's the one that makes eating in a calorie deficit and losing weight so much more enjoyable. And that's French fries or potatoes. And yes, I eat these French fries multiple times a week. I also like to have these whole like roasted cooked potatoes. Just when I want something quick, do a stuffed potato with some chicken or the chicken from the freezer, right? You just do that, do my barbecue sauce. It makes it such an easy, quick dinner. But this is the base of my burger bowls most of the time. I'll use this and the broccoli. These fries are so delicious. Remember that chimichurri steak I did in the air fryer last time? This would be perfect to pair with that and do little like steak frites. So delicious. Again, with my burger bowls. On the side with the chicken nuggets if you wanna go like full drive-through vibes one night. But if you are taking care of yourself, if you're tracking your food, if you're paying attention, you can eat all these things in a healthy amount and absolutely lose weight. These ones are great because they're made with just avocado oil, and I put them in the air fryer so they're not being deep fried like when you go through a drive-through. It's saving you hundreds of calories, still getting that volume, that fullness, so that you can hit your goals and enjoy the food you're eating. And also, I just love both of these because there's no prep, there's no cook time. I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to cut everything up. Like I can just throw it in the air fryer, throw it in the microwave, and be ready to eat a meal so quickly that I know is not gonna get me off track. Next up, frozen rice packs. We have this in our freezer at all times because we eat rice so much. Even if I meal prep it, we run out of it during the week and I don't wanna have to do it more than once. So it's another great staple to have those healthy carbohydrates. Throw this with the meatballs, do it with the chicken, your chicken tenders. There's just so much we do with these, and I always have to have these in our freezer because when you are focused on losing weight, one of the biggest things you will hear from women like myself or anyone else who has maintained fat loss for a long period of time, you start to eat the same things over and over again. You mix it up with your sauces, and maybe like every couple months you rotate new things in. But if you wanna actually be successful, it's not about these big complicated meals. It's about finding staples like these and repeating them over and over again so you can actually hit your goals. Now we have the 4 proteins and 3 sides that you can basically make any meal out of, and you absolutely need to have in your fridge if you're trying to lose fat. But these last 3, these kind of fill in the gaps. One solves my breakfast problem and the other 2 I use every single day. If you've been here a minute, you've heard me talk about how important breakfast is. And it's not just about, oh, you should eat something right when you wake up, but getting protein, especially front-loading protein early in the day within the first 30 minutes is really key to help balance out our hormones, to help with your fat burning, building muscle, and making sure you're reducing cravings throughout the rest of the day. So if you are not someone who wants to spend time making eggs in the morning, or you don't really feel like a smoothie, I always have these like frittata bites so that I can throw them in the microwave and have a high protein egg breakfast very quickly. So in 2 bites, this has 170 calories, 13 grams of protein. You can double that up for just 350 calories. You eat 4 of them and you get 27 grams of protein. Plus having egg bites in your freezer will help you skip a trip through that Starbucks drive-thru and save you some money too. We have 2 more. The last one is going to save you so much money, but the first one is just frozen spinach. I love throwing this in my smoothies. I throw it in my pastas. I put it in everything. It's already cooked. It's already all chopped up. It is so easy and it doesn't taste like anything. And this just reminded me, I like to do my burger bowls, like I said, with broccoli a lot, but I also will do them with spinach, especially if it's that time of the month, because that time of the month, you need to increase your iron. So red meats and spinach are a great way to do that. I don't know about you, but as a toddler mom, we wasted so many cartons of blueberries and fruit because Luke loves it. He eats so much, but they go bad quickly. So I always stick to frozen fruit. I love getting the frozen mixed berries, frozen blueberries. If you're someone who has late night cravings and a sweet tooth, blending up some frozen berries with a scoop of protein powder and a tiny bit of milk turns into this soft serve ice cream, and it is such a great way to not only get more protein in, but help curb those sweet tooth cravings. 4 proteins, 3 sides, and those 3 essentials are the only food you need. Keep them in your freezer, have them on hand so the next time you get home wondering, what am I gonna eat? You know that you have exactly what you need to hit your fat loss goals and stay on track right in the freezer. My goal is to genuinely make eating for fat loss more practical and realistic and just easier for you girls. So hopefully this video helped. If it did, do me a favor, hit the like button and drop a comment down below. Let me know how many of these you already have stocked in your freezer or which ones you are getting next. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe because I have this week's giveaway, which is a tub of my LSF Nutrition Natural Beauty Skincare Blend. But now it's time to announce last week's winner. Last week's giveaway was for our Hot Body Meal Plan, so now it's time to pick our winner. We pick at random from the comments, and this week's winner is Taryn Agriga. Sorry, I probably totally butchered that. We'll put it on screen so you can see it. Send me an email, I'll get you out that meal plan. All right, girls, don't forget, you are more than a body, but you only get one. So take care of her. Love you, I'll see you next week. Bye.